Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Martha Wangari Karua is delivering the bad news to William Ruto in Statehouse. Martha Karua is saying, we were not joking when we said we will take William Ruto to ICC. The petition is complete, and in 2 weeks, we will make the announcement to the public because we will not submit it secretly. We have enough evidence to charge him. Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue, as you always do, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel, because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Thank you so much for that like. When you look at this statement of Martha Wangari Karua coming out to reaffirm that they were not joking about the case of William Ruto being filed at the ICC, International Criminal Court, is that they are ready, everything is set, the evidences has been gathered, and when the right time comes, in 2 weeks to come, they are going to announce it publicly, because this case cannot be filed secretly. Kenyans must understand. The question that I'm remaining with is this. What if this case is going to be found that William Ruto violated the humanity, where Kenyans wamekuwa killed? On the same note, he still continue to say shoot to kill. Can they have the arrest warrant, where I saw a certain leader about 1 month ago? Who is this leader? Together with the Chief Justice, they were, of course, demanded to be arrested. And so there was an International Criminal Court arrest warrant. Those leaders. The question I'm asking, can William Ruto be summoned? Can William Ruto be presented an arrest warrant? I've explained it many times that when William Ruto was taking over in the year 2022 as the President of the Republic of Kenya, he rushed to sign something called, I don't know, Milabo something, Act of something called Africa, whereby head of states, they must be given trial in African courts. Then if it is not going to be possible, then this African court can relate with the International Criminal Court. The question I'm asking, will William Ruto be presented before the African court, so-called Milabo Act, the way Milabo Act has stated, or because the African court is having a relationship and they can refer to the International Criminal Court, can we have the African court transferring William Ruto's case to the International Criminal Court, ICC? Because truly, if it is about humanity, I can prove to you, William Ruto saa hii angekuwa amearestiwa na hata kesi ingekuwa inaendelea. But because I don't trust these courts, even including the International Criminal Court. Remember, kitambo ndio ilikuwanga so lethal. It was so lethal to leaders, whereby when they summon you, that is it. When they demand your arrest, that is it. You saw even the story of Uhuru and William Ruto, their case being filed before the International Criminal Court. You saw even they vied for presidency 2013, while Uhuru and Ruto's case, of course, was active in International Criminal Court. The cases were, of course, withdrawn later when these individuals were having the government. So I can tell you, we might not celebrate because of what Martha Karua has said, but we might celebrate if these individuals will be booked and maybe charged because of what they have. They have gone against the humanity. They're just killing Kenyans the way they want. And you can't say anything. In fact, they are even coming out to say, shoot to kill. That is, you're going against the law of humanity. And remember, our constitution adopted some part of the crimes before the International Criminal Courts. Like, for example, the humanity, the law that guides and protect the humanity. You know, they are like relating. So one thing that I can say is, as much as we can celebrate that Martha Karua, they're going to initiate and file the case before the International Criminal Court. Are we having hope that William Ruto and his close allies, they can be arrested, or they can be summoned, or they can present their lawyers to protect them in this case before the International Criminal Court? That is the question. Because when you look at this story of, let me say, the so-called case of William Ruto at International Criminal Court, imekuwa issue ati itapelekwa. By the way, remember, kulikuwa na Mkenya anaitwa Mkenya. Someone called Mkenya. Anaishi US. Alienda Netherlands, akapresent some cases there, kisema kwamba they wanted to interrogate William Ruto. And this interrogation was that the International Criminal Court was to assist them to understand this issue. But now the question we might not, or we might ask and we might not have answers. Can the International Criminal Court act swiftly and of course deliver what we want? Because yes, Martha Karua, they are going to file it. What next? Because we are having several individuals, people like Kipchumba Murkomen, and several other individuals who are inciting. And of course, what they are saying is like they are the power, and they are the constitution, and they are above the law. What do you think, Kenyans, about the case that Martha Karua is now assuring Kenyans that in 2 weeks' time, they are going to file this case, and William Ruto must face the wrath of the law? What do you think, Kenyans? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Till we meet in another video.